What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add bullet point in Google Sheet. Here you can see what is bullet point. It's a bullet point. So I want to add this one in Google Docs. So go to Docs and click here, type a bullet point, or you can also copy paste to here. Then again click here and paste a bullet point here and like this. I think this is very helpful for you. If you think this is very helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.